Currently, I'm looking to see price tap into my break and retest zone to go higher on Bitcoin. We believe that break and retest is a powerful strategy. So whenever price does this, creates higher high, I believe price would come back to any of these zones. Price will come back into any of these zones that offline. So basically that's what I'm seeing on Bitcoin currently. Seeing this on Bitcoin currently. See this on Bitcoin currently. Okay, we do have a drop base created a low drop, another base, and a drop. And you see drop base rally. Okay, so currently you can see that price has broken the structure over there in the 30 minutes. We go to the 15 minutes, we're expecting price to buy. Okay, giving us probably some type of a London pattern. Some type of a London pattern would be nice to see over there. Expecting a rally from around that area. We're already in one trade on USD. This is the trade. Okay. Same concept. Break and retest. We come here. This pound USD. The price was basically going downwards this way. Drop base, failed, break, have, retest, and report. Okay, that was a failed to make a lower low. Yeah, okay, it was a retest and we bought from there. That is what you can see over here. And then almost that's $47 in profit. We are currently monitoring the BTC to see if we'll get price come down into the zones to hit the back or the lows of this zone. So anywhere from here, anywhere from there, like to see price buy. Okay, so there's one zone there and then there's another zone here. Price could literally use any of them to push up, so we are being watchful and careful to see. I'd love to see price come for the areas I would love to take price is the lows. Okay, come down to these lows down here. Yeah, love to see that happen. Okay, if it doesn't happen, then we're taking this bounce off here, so we can take our first position here and leave the rest, take it later when it comes down into this region, so that we do not miss any of the trades. Okay, I will miss any of the trades. So basically, that's what we're looking at. So we're looking at check how structures being defined in the 10 minutes. So you can see prices drop, drop, see some more push for higher. Okay, so we're basically waiting for confirmations of this drop. You can see it failed to make a higher high. Okay, and so drop base. We say this is a drop base. Basically waiting to see if we'll get a structural break like that. Basically that's what we're waiting for currently. As you can see, price took out these levels, soon took it out, retested, so basically waiting for the price to see if it will tap into our zone, give us a pattern and buy, or we should go extra hard and just buy from where zone is. Confirmation. You wait for confirmation, the better. Okay, go to the lower time frames to see confirmation. We will buy from there. So let's see if price would come into our lows. Give us a break and retest. So it's the last low, last high that created this low got broken there. Okay, sometimes price will use the low before that, but for better risks to reward to see price come into these lows. You can see my alert is there, come into these lows before you see. Okay, so basically that is what we're waiting for, waiting to see in the 15 minutes to go long. BTC. Okay, BTC. Gold is also bullish. Let's see if it will maintain its bullish momentum, also giving us a break and retest there. Okay, so waiting to see if we get gold come down lower into some of these zones. Any area from here down these zones, the potential buy zone for us, but we'd love to see it bounce off of this break and retest in any of these zones over here. This whole area, it's a potential buy zone. Okay, basically that's what we're waiting for. EU is also bullish. See how price reacts. If there's any entries at all. Okay, if there's any entries, we'll go to hit it. So the first one, as you can see, as I've explained, that is where we took the trade. Nice. Okay, you can see when we got to our zone, it was the last low, it was the high that created that last low, got broken, retest, we got already in profits. So 20 pips profit, okay, already in 20 pips profit. Let's see how this trade runs. So this is a more like a 1:2 because we reached 12 pips stop loss. Only so if we get a 24 to 25 pips, we can come to break even. Okay, there's 1:2 come to break even. Okay, our TP is on from the higher time frame, it's up there. Okay, big profit is up there. So let's see how this trade runs. We'll update the page later. So BTC now first zone. Let's see how it reacts. We get a new low. 12 days. Let's see how it goes. Okay.